what it is? Rich TV Live, Ill Kid, Cloud Ninja on the beat. Don't panic, you rookies that don't manage. You looking at all the candles, it's a ride and we off the handles. It's the heat, cause we bringing all the kitchens out. Oven mitts for little kids, what you bitching about? Pockets when they chilling, money stay mingling. I'm just getting started, yeah, I'm trying to get the swing of things. You love the green, but you hate the red. It's like you love the sex, but you hate the head. There's no difference, I finish all of your dinners. That mean I'm taking your place, it's no mistake that you are beginners. You miss me, rinse and repeat, it's Rich TV. You miss me, I'm the one, Jet Li. It's time that we get popping out. I ain't never stopping now. You would think I'm floating in the open way, hop a cloud. You should even shop around. You should buy a pair of boots. Hated is my stomping ground. This is how the market goes. It's round and round we go. Where we stop, we just don't know. Don't panic. Why you spend up all your dough? Just sit back and watch the show. Pray that you'll just strike some gold. Don't panic. Market makers are heartbreakers, are soft stages. Bring the heat with Kenny just like it's Las Vegas. You hard haters are all fakers. I mob like Don Corleone, another song. I don't pause, baby. I don't panic, I just mix it up like Shaka Khan. You stay tripping on his eyes like a soccer mom. And when it's on, I transform like Decepticon. I can tell your whole future looking at the devil's palm. You're too weak, bro, cause you looking at a 52-week low. These are opportunities to seize, yo.
Very smart.
I don't cheat, I just move when I cruise to the G code. Put the limit in, stop it if you have to.
Very smart.
This is mathematics for addicts to latch to. Rich TV Live, he a swell guy. He'll teach you how to buy low and to sell high. Yeah, I get money cause it's all sweet. You looking at the real wolf of Wall Street. Yeah, I get money cause it's all sweet. You looking at the real wolf of Wall Street. This is how the market goes. It's round and round we go. Where we stop, we just don't know. Don't panic. Why you spend up all your dough? Just sit back and watch the show. Pray that you'll just strike some gold. Don't panic.
Something has to be done about this. Mr. Attorney, this is what I pay you for. What can I do? Litigation it is. Get the wheels. Okay. Quickly. ASAP. Quick.
Wow. How you guys doing? This is your boy Rich. I am your captain this evening, this morning, this afternoon, wherever in the world you're watching. And I wanted to rehash the day today. So, funny enough, the cannabis sector in Canada was very green today. Okay. Now, in America, it was slightly red. Overall, in North America, we were in the green. However, a few stocks that were up early finished in the red, which has created somewhat of a panic. Now, the panic is very well deserved because we are approaching many 52-week highs. We are approaching a lot of oversold positions. And we need to be very, very careful right now in the cannabis sector because we have not seen a red month yet. We have seen 3 green months so far in a row, and it is somewhat unprecedented. So we need to be careful. Now, at the same time, we don't want to miss out on big news, big price action, big momentum. So obviously I'm in the markets and I'm telling you guys about a lot of the trades that I'm making. The market is very, very robust right now. There is a lot of money to be made. However, we don't know when it's going to stop. A lot of people are making a lot of money right now. Could it stop tomorrow? Yes. Could it continue tomorrow? Yes. So this is where it becomes really dangerous, okay? The Canadian index is over 700, and it's only been over 700 3 times. And one time it went all the way to 1,000 before it crashed, all the way back down to 400 or 500. Now, we were at 400 in the Canadian index in December. Now we're at 700. How high will it go? The question is, how high will it go? So we need to be very careful and we need to be very watchful of a trend reversal. Having said that, there are still a whole bunch of stocks that are absolutely on fire and they deserve a full alert. What do you guys think should be on a full alert? I want to know what you guys think. And I'll let you know what I think. For sure, T-God. For sure, Eve. C-Web, yes. C-Web had a monster day today. What else should be on a full alert? What else should be on a full alert? How about North? They caught fire. Who else caught fire? Oh, how about Oxley? XLY. Yeah, Oxley caught fire. It's true. This is all true. How about CXXI? I bought me some CXXI today. What else should be on a full alert? How about TRST? How about CanTrust? Which Ilkid just talked about. What else is on fire? Get involved. Join the chat. Give me your picks. Let's go.
Bow down, I ain't a hater like you. Bow down to a greater trader than you. Let's go. Full alert, full alert, full alert. Full alert, full alert.
I sold my ACB today, guys. Sold my ACB. I wanted to load up on something lower. So you know what else is a full alert? ZYNE. I bought me some ZYNE today.
In the second slot, I'm like Jordan in his prime. Shooting with Pippen, making money all the time. Fucking with some Pippen. Kush bottles ain't going
What is on a full alert? I see NAF up 30%. Wow, thank you for the pick. Thank you for the 10 for the cap. Vivo, Speedos, lots of Cheetos. You moved it over to T-God? Not a bad idea. Yes, Jessica, yes. Hexo on a full alert. You are correct. Thank you. Was waiting for someone to say Hexo. What else? Is there anything I'm missing? What should we talk about? What is on a full alert? What are we watching? Let's stay in our lanes. Emerald up 11%. I like that. Wasn't there a pick that I brought today? Didn't I bring a pick today? Well, CNNA. Let's take a look at that. So I like to bring you guys the picks first, right? So I want to make sure I claim this before anybody else goes on YouTube and tries to say they gave you this pick first. CNNA. I did 2 videos on it today. Not 1, but 2. Okay? So, man. Oh, CNNA. Canna One Technologies. Canna One Technologies. Up 5% after my alert this morning. Not too shabby. Canna. CNNA. Canna. Yeah. It's Canna. So, yeah, I just try to bring you guys hits, trying to bring you guys picks. And if there's any, oh, yes, how could I forget? Alifia joined the TSX today. And they are also on a full alert. It's true. They're on a full alert. They are definitely on a full alert. And ISOL also on a full alert. They had some breaking news. They exploded. They need a full alert. But remember, don't just go and buy a stock because you heard it here first on Rich TV Live, okay? Canna. Don't just, you hear Canna, CNNA, and just go and buy it. Okay? Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay? Because FOMO is real. And it can put you in a bad situation. It's happened to me many times. FOMO is real. It's true. I get FOMO too. I am human. That is the problem. If I was a machine, FOMO would not be real. But as a human, FOMO is real. Delta 9. Agra. Agra on a full alert. Thank you for the pick. Agra, yes. We slept on Agra, and it's back. Give me your picks, guys. Have I talked about all the hottest stocks of the day? Have you mentioned, has the community mentioned all the hot picks? Some dollars, go invest that shit in it. Cause the fear of missing out will leave you desperate. Make some money, go and buy yourself a necklace. Or start it out, you can cop a bigger bracelet. Whatever you do it like you do. Markets are hot, bro. Life is good, man. Yes, MCIG. Thank you, JR. MCIG on a full alert. 48 North had a monster day today, man. I hope the momentum continues tomorrow. IGC. What do you want to talk about with IGC? You bought Truly? Truly was going to be a monster. T-God is my number one pick for 2019, Harjot. We're thinking the same. Valens raised money at $2.90. And I believe the price is over $3. I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing. Probably going to go down tomorrow. Today I bought. What? PYX and Hexo have been very good to you. Yeah, they've been very good to anyone who is holding them. I'm happy that you've been winning. Congratulations on your success. EEVVF, the next 48 North. Daniel, you're speaking the same language because I was saying that today. They're both in the revolution of women and cannabis industry. So I feel like North is positioned to be a monster. And I feel like Eve is positioned equally to be a monster because 50% of the people in the world are women. if not more than 50%, maybe 51%. So they're going to smoke weed. They're going to be buying weed. So have a business that's focused on women. Genius. I believe it's genius. And I believe both North and Eve are going to be giants. So let's get in now while it's cheap. Let's get in now while it's cheap. Emerald broke mad resistance today. Is that what you're buying right now, David? Emerald? So I bought ZYNE because I do some research and then I see they have a price target of $20. And ZYNE is like at 5 something. So I'm like, sure. And I just picked up some ZYNE today. And then I picked up CXXI because, to be quite frank, one of the members was just like, Rich, pick up CXXI. It's going to blow up. And I'm like, okay, I'll give it a shot. So thank you, Jamil, for the pick. And Jamil kind of was just like, Rich, you got to buy this. It's going to blow up. So I was like, okay. So hopefully that works out. I sold my Aurora today because I just felt like Aurora, I went to all the analyst targets and Aurora's already at their target. So I was like, okay, since they're already at their price target, yeah, they can go a little bit higher, but they're kind of where they should be. So I don't know how much upside there is. And then I positioned myself in Zynarba, ZYNE, that is got a price target much higher. So I thought that was a smart move. And then I positioned myself in CXXI, which is priced pretty low. So I thought that's probably a pretty good move for now. And then, we'll see how it goes tomorrow. But yeah, those were the moves that I pretty much made today. Just move some things around. And Aleafia Health going to the TSX today is big. I think that, we need to watch Aleafia. Seems like every time one of these companies goes on a senior exchange, a bigger exchange, a nationally recognized exchange, they have a move at some point. I do own MedMan. I was up $300+ today on MedMan. I did not want to sell my MedMan. I watched it come down. I thought about selling for a slight gain. And then I just said, you know what? I don't want to sell this position. Not for 425. I put it at 425. I didn't get filled. It went to 425, but I didn't get filled. Some other people got filled at that price. It immediately went down and then ended up finishing like around $4, 405 or something. I'm not in MedMan. I thought about it. I'm like, I'm not in this position to make a few $100. Like, this is a position that can make me a few $1,000s if I'm patient. And I think I'm planning on getting more. I want lots of MedMan. So I decided to not take the small profit. I should have probably taken it in hindsight. I didn't know it was going to go back to 405, but I didn't really even want to sell it at 425, but it was up enough that I kind of had to take it. I had to take the money and run, but I didn't really want to sell it because I just know MedMan's going to go higher. It's going to go way higher, like way higher. So MedMan at $4 right now is a gift from the stock gods. TGOD hasn't even sold any cannabis. So my biggest issue with TGOD is it's all hype. They haven't sold any cannabis. I'm trying to focus on companies that are actually selling weed. You know what I mean? Like, I know people that are having issues because, like, TGOD is not selling weed. So it was the same problem with HIP. It's the same problem with Vivo. It's the same problem with Oxley. Why are these stocks not moving? They're not selling any weed. So they're just in the business of trying to be acquired. If you're not actually selling weed, you're just getting licenses, you're getting partnerships, but you're not actually selling weed. You're not in the business of actually selling cannabis or CBDs. So I think the companies that are actually selling cannabis, selling CBDs, like MedMen, like Aurora, like Cannabis Growth, are going to do very well. Like Tilt, are going to explode. Like Curaleaf, companies that are making revenue like Kush Bottles. They don't actually sell weed, but they're making money. These are the companies that I believe we really need to stay in our lane and stay focused on these ones. Yes, CXXI. About 2,500 shares today of CXXI. Hey guys, we have 91 people watching and 35 likes. Could we please get 100 likes, guys? I would love it if we could get 100 likes, man. We're 8 people away from 100. Let's hit that 100 likes. Let this video go viral. People should know who the winners are every day, right? So that we can help ourselves, right? Think about it. Just think about it. You buy stock, you go on Rich TV Live, you tell me about the stock. I like it. I make a video, a whole bunch of other people buy it. Stock goes up, everybody wins, everybody makes money. It's a win-win situation, guys. So do it for you, don't do it for me. Smash that like button, share the video, comment on every video. That's how we go viral. That's how we go viral. You wish you could have sold your T-God at the peak today? I think you'll get another opportunity. I don't think that this is the end for T-God. Today was a green day, but everybody sounds and everybody's feeling like it was a red day. It's kind of weird. I don't understand why, but it was a green day today. I know I had a really good trading day today, so I don't know why people are acting like it was a red day, but it was definitely a green day today in the cannabis sector. So I know there's a couple picks that might have been red, but there was a lot of green, like a lot of green everywhere. The day peaked early. This is why we have to sell the green and buy the red and have no emotion. Sell the green, buy the red, and have no emotion. Yeah, Hexo is a very big dog. But what you're going to see is they're going to go up, and then they're going to come back down, and they're going to go up, and then they're going to come back down, and they're going to go up, and they're going to come back down. They're not going to just skyrocket straight up. There's going to have to be some pullback. Like if you look at VFF had a monster day today. Was up at all-time highs like crazy, 2350, something crazy like that. And then it came back down. Right? So what do you think is going to happen? It's going to maybe consolidate, and then it's just going to shoot right back up again. It's just what it does. It's what VFF does. You want to see red this week? Be careful with what you wish for, man. Careful what you wish for. I ain't asking for red. I won't ever ask for red. I'd rather have green because one thing I've learned about investing, time in the market is more valuable than timing the market. So anyone that's a big time investor will tell you this. So time in the market is more valuable than timing the market. So you want to be in the market so you can make the money, right? And we just got to be smart and try to stay in cash as much as possible. And don't be so quick to go back in. If you pull out and you're in cash, don't be so quick to pull in. My biggest mistake that I make is when I sell, I immediately want to go and spend that money and buy something again. I want to make my next trade. I want to make my next winning trade when I should be just waiting, hunting, stalking my next victim, essentially. That's really what I should be doing. That's what everyone should be doing. But I don't know what. It's a rush, especially when you win on a trade. And then you're like, oh, I got all this money. What am I going to do? Oh, I want to buy this. Oh, I want to buy that. Oh, I want to buy this, that, and that. You know, we all go through it, man. FOMO is real. It's true. It's very, very true. But the key is to hunt. To hunt. Either we hunt or we get hunted. But at the end of the day, we want to find our headshot. We want to find our headshot. We want to find our winners. And we want to hit it every single time between the eyes. Okay, guys, let's go. 87 people here, 53 likes. 47 likes away from 100. Let's go.
Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Y'all can't do it like me. No, y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot.
Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot. Y'all can't do it like me, y'all. Y'all can't do it like me, y'all. Y'all can't do it like me, y'all. Y'all can't do it like me. Y'all can't do it like me. Check it like a pair of Nikes. I keep it rocking, I'm stopping, I'm popping, I jump in a fresh white tee. Oh, so now you make songs. Now you
Thank you for your support, Patty.
How about you do it all wrong? I am a king and you are
Yes, Chiron, Chiron, Chiron. Another brilliant opportunity. Come on, guys. Smash that like. 56 likes, 87 people watching. Smash it. Hit it. Click it. Push it. Touch it. I can't tell you guys when to buy or sell, man. Don't buy anything I talk about on my show. Ever. Ever. Don't even trade. This that headshot. This that headshot. This that headshot. This that headshot. I'm just here for education, entertainment purposes, man. If you guys want to find an expert, you got to find an expert. I ain't an expert. I never said I was, and I never ever will say I am. I ain't an expert. I'm just like you guys, man. I'm just in the trenches like you guys. I ain't licensed. And I don't want to be.
You can't just copy the page. This is experience, idiots. Listen, you can't just copy the wave. Nah, I'm just playing for keeps. Fucking with Rich TV. Your platform is growing. I know that it's showing. We like 60,000 people deep. This original, no subliminal. We maximize, you minimal. This critical, analytical. You hysterical. This a miracle. You other cats are so boring. On your channel, I'm snoring. While you hitting the recording, you should just die off horribly. Sick of the same old story. I think you triggered the light.
Of course you can like a mobile.
And we much bigger than life. Headshot, 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 headshot. This that headshot.
Have I heard of Emerald Farm? I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. Yo, what's up, Joe? This that headshot. Nah. No. So, guys, thank you for the 60 likes. Everyone who has hit those likes, thank you so much. I appreciate you. I love you guys. We are a unit. We are a team here. And we are a community. And we are a winning community. And we are a thriving community. And we will continue to be. Because at the end of the day, if you're not winning, you're probably not watching. And if you're not watching, you're probably not winning. So why not just watch, start to win, figure out a few good, simple strategies that work. Stay in your lane, invest in the best because the best is blessed. Invest in great companies that are undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed. Look at the charts. When you see they're at the bottom of the chart, that's when you want to buy. When they're at the top of the chart, that's when you want to sell. You don't want to buy at the top. You want to buy at the bottom. Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. I mean, it sounds simple enough, but when you have other people that are doing it with you, it becomes a lot easier. So that's the beauty and the power of the Rich TV Live community. If you guys join our Telegram, you guys will know we are literally 50, 60 people deep in there every single morning, just banging through picks, banging through picks, banging through picks, banging through picks. I'm on my trading platform on TD. I got my Telegram open on my phone. I'm watching the picks on my Telegram. I'm watching my picks on TD, and I'm literally buying and selling. I mean, that's a fact. So I think we got something big. And yeah, I think it's only going to get bigger and it's only going to get better. And it, you know, thanks to you guys, the community, you guys are what makes Rich TV Live so special. And guys like G for making these songs, it's unbelievable. And everybody that I collaborate with, you know, Departures Capital and Amanda in Indonesia and Nika Domi and everybody who joins and calls in like Joe and CP Dallas. And everybody that's a part of this community, man, you guys are what makes this so special. You guys are what makes this platform so different, so unique, and there's nobody doing what we do, and nobody can. They can't even try. You could try, but you can try, but you most likely fail. Oh, come on, Johnny. That's not a nice thing to say. Why would you say that? Why would you say that? I'd love to know, Johnny. I'm going to call you out, Johnny Bonds. Why would you say that about Nika? I'd love to know. Who's bashing my picks? You're going to hold your ACB? Hey, man, trust your gut, man. Trust your gut. I went through analyst ratings that said that ACB is kind of hit its target. So ACB is kind of where its target is. It's kind of hit its target. I don't anticipate it's going to go that much higher right now. That's why I'm out of ACB. When I say get out of ACB or I'm getting out of ACB, that's just what I'm doing. You don't have to sell anything. I could be completely wrong. Like I told you guys, I ain't an expert. A lot of you guys are better traders than me. I didn't get into this to be the best trader. I do enjoy trading. I do believe I am a good trader. But I also have a lot of other distractions, which doesn't make me the greatest trader. If I could sit there in front of the screen all day long, I think trade for trade, I can go with anybody. I've been trading for a long time and very highly sophisticated type trading. So I think trade for trade, I can go with anybody, but hard to do that when you're live almost every day. And, renovating properties, flipping properties, trying to be a single dad. It's impossible to try to do it all. And that's why I say I'm not the best trader. So some of you will be much better traders than me. But yeah, it's good that there are a lot of other channels out there that can help everybody learn something different. Because what I believe is the more channels there are out there, the more people are going to become traders. And then the more people get into trading and the more people get into investing, the more people are going to want to buy cannabis stocks because they're the most liquid stocks. They're the most trending stocks. They're the most dynamic stocks. They're the most exciting stocks. So everybody's going to naturally want to get involved in cannabis stocks. That's why we're here, folks. And we've been here for 2 years when I was the first and only guy talking cannabis stocks. Now, 2 years later, fast forward, and everybody's talking about cannabis stocks, trying to say they called this and that first, right? But we all know who called what first. ACB is booming. I believe ACB has a lot of upside, but I think we all know what we're waiting for with ACB. Coca-Cola. Guys, please, 95 people watching, 65 likes. Could we get a couple more likes? Can we squeeze a couple more likes out of this beautiful community that's watching here? I would really appreciate it if you guys could just squeeze a couple more likes out of the community. Just squeeze a couple more. Just like squeezing, like, there we go, lemon. Look at that. We just got 7 likes. Look at that. Now we're 28 likes away from 100. Can we 73 likes? Thank you guys. With 27 likes, can we squeeze a few more likes out of this group? Can we get a couple more likes? Can we get to 75? Can we get the... Oh, we lost the like. We lost the like. We got 3 more. Nice. The squeeze. The squeeze works. Just a little squeeze. Oh, 77. I love you guys, man. You guys are the bomb. Coca-Cola. So, yeah, like 80 likes, 81 likes. Wow, you guys are the bomb. So, yeah, I just have this feeling that Aurora could be in talks with Coca-Cola. Excuse me. I don't know what keeps getting into me. But if ACB gets into talks with Coca-Cola, excuse me, I don't know what's getting into me, then It could explode. I mean, $20 could happen. I did say 19. When I said 19, I didn't think it was going to be anytime soon. I mean, here we are at like 13 and people are like, oh my goodness, should we sell? And I'm like, well, it is getting high. So the last time I sold was when it was at 13 and we're back to 13 again. So seems to be where they get their resistance. You don't feel what? Yeah, I think Coca-Cola and Aurora has been the rumor for a long time now. I think that's been the rumor for a long time. And anytime there's smoke, I think there's fire. And when you see Coca-Cola denying it, I can't even remember how many times I've seen athletes and teams and sports teams and franchises deny a rumor. And then the very next day, the deal goes through. Like, this kind of stuff happens, guys. What is he going to do? Admit it? Oh, yeah. We're talking to Aurora Cannabis when they don't have a deal signed. You think Coca-Cola doesn't want to work with Aurora Cannabis? You think that's not going to help Coca-Cola to work with the largest cannabis company in the world? Oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. So Coca-Cola and Aurora, I think it's happening. Didn't Coke used to have cocaine in it, Rich? Doesn't it still? Hey, how you doing, Ken? So I don't know, guys. I think where there's smoke and there's fire. We've seen Kronos Group get $1 billion partner. We've seen CANNABIS Growth get $1 billion partner. We've seen Aurora get $1 billion advisor, not $1 billion partner, not an infusion of billions of dollars into the company, $1 billion advisor. What's next? The $1 billion partner, the $1 billion infusion of capital, so that Aurora goes from 24 countries to 50 countries. It will happen. You can book it. I don't know. I think the deal with Coca-Cola happens. I just think the deal with Coca-Cola happens. I think it's a match made in heaven. The biggest cannabis company with the biggest beverage company together collide to make the most powerful company in the world. What a story. Yeah, it'll happen. It just seems like it's going to happen. I don't know. Where there's smoke, there's fire. I'm just telling you guys what I feel. I might be wrong, but I just have a feeling. I got this feeling in my gut. Why is it running? Somebody knows something, guys. Come on, guys. Seriously, it's up 150% since last August. You think somebody doesn't know something? Smash the like, guys. Come on. 85 likes, 103 people watching. We need 15 more likes to hit 100. Can we hit 100 likes, guys? Thank you guys for joining. This is Rich from Rich TV Live. I am your pilot this evening. We are talking about the markets. What is on fire today? What is exploding? What is popping? I believe Aurora Cannabis is going to do a deal with Coca-Cola. It's been rumored. Aurora already put it out there. They haven't been penalized by the SEC for putting it out there. Why? Maybe because it's happening. Maybe because it's just a matter of time until it happens. So there's a reason why it's going up, people. Who the hell is buying it? It ain't you and me. We can't move the markets. Last time I looked, you ain't going to move the market with like, I don't know, even $1 million ain't going to move the market, guys. When the market's trading 20 million shares a day at $13, do the math. That's $260 million a day running through Aurora Cannabis. That ain't little people like me. That isn't the average retailer like you. That is institutions. That is institutions, hedge funds, whales, banks, high net worth investors, all rolled into one. That's what that is. And they're all on the inside and they're all in the know. And they're like, hey, ACB is going to get Coca-Cola. Hey, ACB is going to get Coca-Cola. Hey, ACB is going to get Coca-Cola. Hey, ACB's gonna get Coca-Cola. Oh, it's going up. Oh, it's going up. Oh, it's going up. I wonder why it's going up. I wonder what's taking it up. You know what's taking it up, man. You know what's taking it up, man. Come on, man. You guys got to read between the lines. These things don't just go up. There's a reason why it's going to go up. Okay? There's a reason why stocks go up. There's a reason why CANNABIS Growth went up. They got billions of dollars. There's a reason why Kronos Group went up. They got billions of dollars. There's a reason why Aurora Cannabis is going up. They have a $1 billion advisor, and they're going to do a deal, most likely, with Coca-Cola. Hello? Isn't this what everyone's been talking about? So this is what it is, guys. So I don't know. If it ain't Coca-Cola, it's going to be something big. Either way, something's happening. Somebody knows something. There's a reason why the stock is going up every day. I've been telling you it's going to go up every day. It has been going up every day. Even when it goes down like minuscule amount. That means that it's got massive amount of momentum, massive amount of power, massive amount of attention. That's what it is, guys. So, all right, guys. Think about it. Let me know what you guys think. If you like this video, smash the like button. Share the video everywhere. If I win and you win, we all win. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to Rich TV Live. Hit the bell for notifications. We got 93 likes. Could we get 94 likes? And thank you for the 94 likes. Could we get 6 more likes and just hit 100? Can we just hit 100? Because if we can hit 100... that would make me so happy. 96 likes. Can we get 4 more likes? Why would we finish with 98 likes? Can we get 2 more from the community, from the people? Could we squeeze 2 more likes out of the people? Could the people give us 2 more likes? I think we could. I think we could get it. We've done it before. Can we do it again? Can we do it again? Let's 102 likes. I love you guys. You're the best community on the planet. Stay tuned. More winners coming every day. We predicted the resurrection.
They're lawyers. They're trying to put lawsuits on these companies. Meanwhile, what they're trying to do is create a distraction so we don't take
Stay in your lane. Invest in the best because the best is blessed. Stay in cash. Buy low, sell high. Buy at 52-week lows, sell at 52-week highs. No need to panic. Cannabis stocks are green. Chiron is a beast. KHRN is a beast. Don't sleep on Canna. I brought it to you guys. CNNA. Don't sleep on them. Nobody else is talking about them. Don't sleep on them. Canna. Canna. Canna.
We the leader for the legalized. Herb be the cure for all the sick and all the broken. We wanted this for years and they thought we were joking. Nah. We were always patient. Cannabis for you and me and all the nations. So all my brothers and all my sisters, go on and light it up. Go on and take it to the head when the times are tough. I know we buying in the red, that's the sign of luck. Don't panic, we gotta manage, the time is us. And I don't care for the lefts and all the market makers. But I swear they nuts, I call them.
Thank you guys.
Big pharma trying to get in for a piece of it. Because they know the medication, won't believe in it. I'm so happy it's over. And now we're here, it's Rich TV, the coalition. There's no locking and stopping because we on a mission. Teach the people to spread the lies, it's a contradiction. You want to make money, invest in the top cannabis stocks in Canada and the United States that are revenue generating. Invest in the best because the best is blessed. This is your boy Rich. We're out. Peace. You're not winning, you're not watching. This is a cannabis stock revolution. It's true. Get ready for the resurrection.
It's a revolution, guys. I'm telling you, Eve and North. Don't sleep on cannabis for ladies. Do not sleep on cannabis for ladies. It's huge. Think about it. Think about it.
He also predicted the crash of Bitcoins. That's a big short. Stop acting like a big
Yes, I have 1,900 shares of MedMen. I love MedMen. They will explode.
We gave you all the answers.
Yo, I gotta run. I'm out. Peace. Best ringtone on the planet.